So, welcome back everyone. This video is actually a remake. But I think I will leave a link to the original video because the original video I didn't get a chance to upload. And since it took much longer, I say, you know what, I'm just gonna redo it. But I want to take the same road and I want to end up at the same place. I don't believe in remakes because then it's not original anymore. That's why I'm going to leave the link to the original one if you want to see it. So I'm going over to, what's the name of the place? De Leclerc Straat. Yeah, that's where I'm going. It's not that far. It's less than 9k. But given the speed, you got a lot of 30 zones. It's going to take me a little while to get there. I would say 16 minutes. That's not too bad. And the reason I'm doing a remake is because now I can do it in 4K. And well, speaking of 4K, I was busy recording something else and I put it in 1080p. So maybe the camera is still in 1080p. If that's the case, I'm just gonna upscale it. Well, I'm not gonna start over. I'm just gonna leave it in. I didn't even. Anyway, fingers crossed it's 4K. Or it might be in 4K 30 instead of 4K 60. So we are in Osdorp. And it is kind of late, so not much traffic on the road at the moment. And as always, hope everyone is doing okay. Hope everyone is staying safe. Crazy time, so you gotta take care of yourself, physically and mentally, and try to be civilized to each other. Anyway, enough of that. See someone I don't know why you're standing there. Pretty sure you're not supposed to be there because your side was red. Anyway, is this the fastest way to get to where I'm going? Is this the original? Yeah, this is the original road because somewhere at the roundabout I went right and I could see that's where it's sending me, so very good. Alright, so coming up to the 30 zone, we'll be back in the dome. And it's gonna feel slow. It feels slow because it is slow. Anyway. I feel like I could be walking faster than I'm going now. So I see we are going right. Navigation sign this part is 50. Anyway, not really sure. Just keep my eyes open for cameras. Sorry. free zone, so we're gonna slow it back down again. What street are we on? Jan van Galenstraat. We're going straight. Yeah, we're going straight. Maybe someone trying to walk through red. So slow. Are you gonna do it? I think I could remember that this is the road I took the first time, so I wanted to be kind of original. No, because maybe that time this road was jammed up, so the navigation sent me this way. I believe I could remember. It was a while ago, but I could remember. And then I'm gonna go left somewhere. I assume? No? I mean, I would feel stupid if it's not my way. I'm almost certain this is the road I took. It is. So 4 more minutes. And now we're gonna go on the tram line. Cross over. That one is gonna stop. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure I don't bump into any trams.
500 meters, turn left onto Bilderdijkstraat.
So this is the street. This is the street I'm looking for. And I found it. Thanks, man. Should I just drive around a little bit first? Maybe I could go right, circle back around and come back. I think I could. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, they changed it up a bit.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Kingstrad.
Now, when I get a chance, I'm going to turn right. I'll just drive along the water. Where can I go right? I could go right. Right about now. Can I go right somewhere? Let me see. Yeah, can I? Yeah. No cyclists. Okay.
Turn left onto Bilderdijk Arcade.
Yeah, I don't want to go left. I want to go right. Let's go right. What's this? This is Bilderdijk Kade.
You have arrived.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, should we drive around a bit more? Should we just leave it like this? Let's go back to the right. We got a cyclist coming real fast. Green. Am I gonna make it? Nope, I'm not gonna make it. Up to 20 minutes. Okay, that's not bad. That's okay. 20 minutes. Okay, after 85 meters, I can't go any further. Let me just see where we go and turn back. Can't go any further. Yeah, you're not allowed to go in there. Only taxi and the people with a permit. So, alright, let's turn back and find somewhere to stop. Alright, let's go right. Then I'm gonna find somewhere to stop. Yeah, they changed it up a bit. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna swing back around because that's where I want to end the video. Can't cross over. Can I? Yeah, I can turn back. That's where I want to end the video. That's where I'm going to end the video. I got an idea of what I'm going to do. From the other side, so shot. Okay, everyone, so welcome to. Yeah, you going from this way? Is that green also? Nah, I think you went right. Anyway, welcome to the Leclercstraat. This is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next video.